Here's how you can make Meemaw's brisket from young Sheldon.
He applied the spice rub with such erotic tenderness, it made my mother a little jealous. Finally, the cooking began. 14 hours of cooking and basting and spritzing. It was finally time to let the meat rest.
Rest, my darling. Rest. Here we go. 15 years and 14 hours later. Best brisket in Texas.
Oh.
This is good.
So this ain't Meemaw's brisket. This is Abdullah's brisket.
It's my brisket.
So Meemaw was super secretive with her recipe. She didn't want to say what was actually in it. Does that actually matter, or is it more so about how you cook it?
Both.
But this is super basic, you said, right? Like this only has what?
The outside only has like garlic, black pepper, some salt. We actually inject it with a brine all the way through. That's the secret sauce right
Got
there.
you.
This is better than Meemaw's.
Oh, all right, all right. Did you go to a voodoo lady for this too, or no?
My sister-in-law is a witch doctor.
How many hours again?
About 10 altogether. But I have fancy machines, so it doesn't take me 14 hours.
Do you prefer brisket or ribs? Because I know there's always those two things on the menu.
Brisket actually comes from a cut very close to ribs. But ribs has all that fat in it. But the problem is I can only eat like 3 ribs and then like it's too much fat.
This is possibly a 9.3 out of 10. Like it's up there.